In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner in Clickup. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply need to transfer ownership of a project, updating the owner is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a smooth transition. First, you'll want to start by visiting Clickup. If you're not familiar, Clickup is a comprehensive project management tool designed to organize your work life all in one place. Once you're there, find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you have a Google account tied to ClickUp, you can conveniently use that option by selecting Sign in with Google. This will redirect you to choose which Google account you wish to use, so select your preferred account, and you'll be logged into ClickUp in no time. Once you're logged in, locate the space for which you want to change ownership. Spaces are basically project groups in ClickUp that help keep everything organized, so make sure you're working in the correct one. Navigate to your desired space and look for the three-dot menu icon, which typically indicates more options are available. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Space Settings to access the configuration options for that particular space. Next, you need to click on All Space Settings. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of options pertaining to your space, and within this list lies the ability to manage ownership. After you've entered the space settings, look for the owner section. You'll see the current owner's name displayed prominently. Click on the current owner to bring up the list of members associated with this space. Now here's where you can make that change. If you've added members to your space previously, you'll see them listed here. Simply select the name of the person you wish to designate as the new owner. Keep in mind that this person will need to have already been added as a member, otherwise you'll need to add them before proceeding with this step. Once you've selected the new owner, ClickUp will automatically update the space's ownership, transferring all corresponding permissions and responsibilities. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the owner of a ClickUp space. Being able to easily assign new ownership ensures that everyone can have direct access to managing the project, enhancing collaboration, and keeping workflows efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or consult ClickUp's support for more detailed assistance. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.